Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how can we use this curtain transition in PowerPoint but in new and interesting way. Look, this one, is not it beautiful? Yes, it is. You can also make your presentation more beautiful just in 2 seconds. Let's learn how. First of all, go to insert and here is the option new slide and take a blank slide. Now I hereby go on the Google and write visual of a red curtain full. Then I just copy this image, go back to a PowerPoint and I paste this image here and just wait for a second. Image is pasted here. Now I hereby just drag my image and put this curtain full on the screen. Now, as I want to display this image when the curtain will be open, so I just copy my image, go back to my slide and go to insert, go to new slide, go to blank slide and just paste my image here. I hereby choose red curtain because my image is in the combination of the red. You will choose the curtain color according to your image. Now just go to the animation, no, on the transition, and there is a transition having the name curtain. Just click on the curtain transition here and you can see it will it will look like that. You can also extend the duration so that it will open more slowly. Then now this is my next image. I want to display this image. Do you really think that red curtain will go with the black car? No. So what is next? Insert, new slide, blank slide, and just paste my image. Now for that image, I want another slide, but I want here black type of curtain. So what to do? Move it down. Just copy your image, the red curtain, and paste here. Then go right click, format picture, and here is the fourth option and picture color, and go with the preset color saturation, and you can see here is a picture color. You can change your picture color. Now when you reduce the temperature of the picture, it is going darker and more darker, so I hereby set it with that. Now go with the car and just go with the again with the transition and again select the curtain transition, and look amazing. So what is next? If your image is that and you want green curtain for that, so just go on the Google and hereby write a visual of green curtain with the ratio 16:9. Image should be a full and curtain should be a close. It will show that type of curtain. Copy and paste here like that. So what is next? Again same, go to transition and go with the curtain transition, and look like that. So if I increase the time, it will show more slowly. So now we will go in my first slide show, and from beginning and see again, and yes, it looks so amazing. For more tutorial must visit my channel. I already uploaded plenty of tutorials on PowerPoint that make your presentation more amazing and eye-catching. If you really like this, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.